Have you or someone you know ever broken the law for romance? 601-995-1017. And before you think, no, that's ridiculous, what about like trespassing? You know, showing up somewhere where you didn't really belong to have a little moment of alone or privacy. 601-995-1017. Let's share those stories because there's a guy in Florida who got arrested recently after he bought almost $300 in flowers and candy for an adult performer that he was in love with at a certain gentleman's club. He shows up with all these flowers and chocolates, trying to be romantic just in time for Valentine's Day, for silver. And, you know, he apparently bought all that stuff with counterfeit $100 bills.
Not a good plan.
Which is a big law to break. You can't do that.
Yeah, and also wasted on somebody who definitely doesn't love you back.
That's another great point because you've been throwing fake $1 bills at her the whole time. Now she knows where all the fake ones came from, I'm sure. So he admitted to authorities that as soon as they showed up at the gentleman's club to investigate, he claims love was his reason for breaking the law. When was love your reason for breaking the law? 601-995-1017.
So I'm not sure if we technically broke a law, but the police did get involved.
Oh, no.
So, you know, on Highland Colony Parkway, there are a lot of those, like, where a road is eventually going to be, but right now it's just kind of a place that you could park. Sometimes police will sit there to try to catch you speeding.
Yes, definitely.
Well, in the neighborhood that my boyfriend grew up in, they had a lot of those little areas that you could just park in, and we had nowhere to go, nowhere to be alone. So we were in his truck and we decided to stop at one of those little spots.
Yeah.
And, you know, we were just making out, just having a moment of passion when we hear a on the window.
Tapping with the flashlight or something? Oh, no.
And he was like, can you roll your window down, please? And we both are just like bright red, so mortified. And he was like, you're going to have to take this party somewhere else.
Oh, but they didn't like check IDs or anything like that?
No, thank goodness. So I don't know if we were at risk of breaking any laws, technically trespassing or anything. But yeah, that cop sure put the fear of God into us.
601-995-1017 is our phone number. If you've got a story, I'm not glorifying this at all, but do you think it would count? Like I was trying to impress a girl who was, I think, 20, just definitely not 21. I was 23 or 24. So I was like, yeah, I could be your hookup. For sure. Is that not
like
good?
Buy her beer or something?
Yes.
Yeah, that's not good.
Yeah, I guess that would count. Breaking the law for love. 601-995-1017. Hey, Cynthia, tell us your story.
It was my now husband. He was my boyfriend. He came up to my job and went to my car and took the plugs out of it because I wasn't talking to him. So I wouldn't be able to crank my car.
What?
But, yes, so I could come out there and talk to him. Yeah, and I was working at a cleaner's back then, so he was on private property. But I did go out there and make him leave so they didn't call the police.
Vandalism for love. And it obviously worked on you, Cynthia. That just made your heart flutter whenever you found out he would be willing to give me a disabled vehicle at my job because he loves me so much.
Exactly.
Wow. I've been doing my whole life all wrong.
Yes, you have.
Have a great weekend, Cynthia. Thank you for listening.
Adam and Allison in the morning.